the first, and even as we speak, we getting further in this verse. With no further ado, I do what got respect. Dude got me stripes like hamburger, love for my work. As Lupe the killer, 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 killer. Mercy, he's a mess, so immersed in his murk. He's 2/3 submerged below the surface where they surf. This is where I lay it down like a bird giving birth. So call me Lou the Giant's goose, or just Fabergé paid. Till I'm called back to the shore by the watchers of the bay. I wait till I come back like a tsunami. Never microwave like the watchers of the way. I'm wrapped in aluminum foil. I do my dirt like Kwame. Until that same soil being pushed into my grave. But I'm so ahead of my time. The next day might strike oil while I've been laid. Homie, I'm so crude. Texas T haters is so screwed, but I can't feel it like a flathead in the Phillips. Don't get it twisted, nigga, I'm no tool. More cool than a pool in the blizzard with ice cubes in it during Christmas, meaning there's no school in the misfit. Like I'm throwing a fit, oh I just can't fit it. Tidbit too big, it's gotta hit it till it's fresh to death, dressed to kill it like slow down, Joe, you're killing.
Lupe the killer, Lupe the killer, Lupe the killer, killer, Lupe the killer, Lupe the killer, the killer.
187 on my second, I reckon. This is an assault with a deadly session. Assault, peace and blessings to the settings that be repping all across in every direction. Locality and section that know Lupe the killer, 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 killer. Give it how I live it, most niggas won't believe.